Hola, buenos días a todos. Bienvenidos a Fiesta. Soy tu profesor, señor Feick. Hoy quiero compartir. Today I want to share reasons why we study español. Did you know Español is the official language of 20 countries? More than 577 million people around the mundo, the world, speak Español. The United States, where we live, is the second biggest Spanish-speaking country in the world. That means there are more Spanish speakers here, where we live, than anywhere else in the world except Mexico. More than Spain, more than Colombia, more than Ecuador. Español is the second most studied language in todo el mundo. English is the first most studied. Español is second. The United States will be the biggest Spanish-speaking country in el mundo by 2050. Meaning, by 2050, in only 30 years, when you guys will be, well, older than me. But by then, there will be more Spanish speakers here, where we live, than anywhere else in the world. So here are some reasons we study Español. It's kind of important. Yeah, it's